A recent deal made things official. The city of Bainbridge now owns lands here at the Earle May Boat Basin Park. I'm your neighborhood reporter, AJ Douglas, explaining what that means for visitors and locals.
Nice area.
Daniel Kramer and his father traveled from Colorado in search of housing here in Bainbridge.
It's clean. That's pretty nice.
While on their house hunt, they stopped at the Earle May Boat Basin Park to fish. Daniel tells me he and his father didn't expect to find what they call a perfect spot.
I could see it getting very big here in the future.
Thousands visit the park year-round as the peaceful Flint River flows by. Recently, the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers transferred the deed to the site over to the city. Deshaun Downey lives nearby. He tells me he appreciates having a quiet space in town to relax with his furry loved one, also known as Diesel.
I love the way the area looks. They really did it nice compared to what it used to look like, and I'm glad and I enjoy walking my dog and just taking walks and jogging.
I reached out to City Manager Chris Hobby about the transfer. He tells me the change will not impact taxpayers in any way, as the city has maintained the park for over 50 years. So what is changing? The city will no longer require to develop a master plan and receive Corps of Engineers approval before making recreational improvements. That paves the way towards future opportunities when it comes to attracting more visitors.
The fishing, the boat riding, and it's not crazy out here. They're nice to each other, they speak.
Crowds of visitors to quiet days like Wednesday. Preserving the Bainbridge landmark means three valuable things for people like Kramer.
Just the serenity, peace, quiet.
More developments to look out for this year, more additions to the Chase Park expansion, and the Marriott element will be constructed at the northern end of the Riverwalk. In Bainbridge, I'm AJ Douglas for ABC 27.